Hello everybody, today is Friday, December the 6th, and today I'm going to be unboxing day 6 of the Fidget Toy Advent Calendar. So let me go ahead and unbox day 6 and see what's inside. Ooh, what is this? Oh my, what is this? Hold on, let me investigate this. Oh, I think I might know what this is. It's a slap bracelet. Check this out. Oh. Let me give you guys a demonstration for this. This is what it would do to hand. Just like that. It's a slap bracelet. Yeah, so I got a slap bracelet, which was nice. Looks pretty cool. I think it looks pretty cool, to be honest. I mean, come on. What can go wrong with that, right? Okay, well, thank you guys so much for watching me unbox day 6 of my advent calendar. I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 7. See you guys then. Bye!